a lot of UI patterns that involve dragging, like moving addresses around in an email, or moving documents from one folder to another. If you've got a widget you want the user to drag around, try using Draggable. Draggables have a property to hold the data they represent, so it's good to start with a type parameter. Next, add the data itself, and define how your draggable should look. A child property is used when the draggable is waiting around, and the optional child when dragging is substituted while the widget's being dragged. And the optional feedback widget is what remains behind. Where does the widget land after being dragged, you might ask? On a drag target. Drag targets are the landing zones for draggables. They have 3 function properties for handling data. OnWillAccept is called to test whether a draggable's data will be accepted by the drag target. OnAccept is called when a valid draggable lands. And OnLeave is called anytime a draggable is dragged over the target and then leaves. Use the builder property to define how your drag target is composed based on the values that are being dragged to it. For more info on Draggable, drag target, and all other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.dev.